Welcome to the first stage in your forms process with Sharma-Crawford Attorneys at Law. We begin with the pre-screening of your documents to confirm eligibility. Once approved, we'll move on to completing your forms in what we call the open forms stage. The first part of this video will walk you through the 4 steps on how to get in line for pre-screening. The second part of the video will go over some important details about what to expect when working with our office. Before we begin, please ensure that you have created a OneDrive account. The completion of this process will not be possible without a OneDrive account. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This process has 4 steps: prep, scan, upload, and text. Here's what you'll need to complete the pre-screening process. 1. Document list. 2. All documents. 3. OneDrive access. And 4. Signed contract along with the full payment amount. Step 1. Prep. Gather all of your documents and organize them according to your document list. Create a folder inside OneDrive and name it Evidence. Once inside the Evidence folder, place your document on a flat surface and stand above your document. Click the camera icon and point your camera directly down to align your document with the white arrows. Snap your picture and edit it so that no corners are missing. Click Confirm, then Done. Rename your document to match whatever is listed on the document list. Select the Evidence folder and click on the check mark. You will see your document pop up. This means it was successfully uploaded. Repeat this step with each of your documents. If there are documents with multiple pages, after confirming the first scan, click Add on the bottom left-hand corner and scan the next page. Repeat until all pages have been scanned. Ensure that your documents are clear and legible with no corners missing and that you have crossed off all of the documents on the document list. Step 3. Upload. Go into your email and search for OneDrive. You will find that we shared a Client Access folder. Click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. Once inside the OneDrive, locate the Upload option. The location of the upload button may vary by phone type. Search for either the 3 dots or the plus sign. Click on Browse and select the OneDrive application. Locate your evidence. If you followed the first step correctly, all of your documents will be organized inside your evidence folder. Select all of the documents that you want to upload and repeat this step until all of your documents have been uploaded. Again, before moving on to the last step, please make sure that you have cross-checked your document list. Finally, step 4, text. Text your full name along with the word READY to 816-994-2300 to notify us that your documents have been uploaded. We'll confirm receipt and begin pre-screening. And that's it. Following these steps carefully ensures that you are scheduled for a forms appointment as soon as possible. What happens next? Once your pre-screening has been approved and you have completed the payment, please wait for our call to schedule your forms appointment. Please prepare to receive access to your client portal via email, which will contain a questionnaire that requires completion. The forms assistant will help you transition from the pre-screening stage to the open form stage, where you will virtually meet the paralegal assigned to your case. During pre-screening, your primary contact will be our forms assistant. They will handle your document pre-screening and guide you through this step. If you have any questions during this time, please call our office and ask to speak with the forms assistant. Our office requires the use of OneDrive, and thus creating an account is also required. You must create the account with the same email address that we have for you on file, as it is used to confirm your identity. Again, this email must be your own private email. You have been given access to what we call a Client Access folder. Get familiar with this, as you will be using it for all document exchanges throughout the entirety of your case in our office, not just for the pre-screening stage. There, you can upload any documents you want us to have, and we'll do the same. More details will follow when you move on to the open form stage. Everything after the pre-screening stage moves extremely fast. Our goal is to get everybody the help they need as quickly and efficiently as possible. Immigration matters are often lengthy in time, and USCIS is often plagued with a backlog on forms. So, the sooner we submit your application, the sooner your application will be placed in line for their review. Please help us help you by cooperating with all of our systems. We thank you for listening, and again, we are very excited to work with you. Our ability to efficiently pre-screen your documents depends on you. We operate on a first-come, first-served basis, so timely and accurate uploads are crucial. Ensure your documents are properly scanned and uploaded to the correct OneDrive folder to avoid delays. Submitting documents any other way, for example, sending them via email, will cause delays for your case, as we will have to wait until the forms assistant is done pre-screening all of the others who have complied with the requirements first before they can go searching for your documents. This may take up to 5 days. By signing the contract, you are agreeing to use our electronic systems, which are emphasized in this stage. If you text to notify us that you are ready before 3 p.m., your documents will be pre-screened the same day. After 3 p.m., they'll be pre-screened the next business day. You'll know your pre-screening is approved when you receive the payment link via LawPay.